Hello, kids. So now let's review your previous lesson. Okay? Now listen and repeat after me. Unit 2. They're happy now. They're happy now. Listen and repeat. Hot, hot. Cold, cold. Hungry, hungry. Thirsty, thirsty, thirsty. Happy, happy. Sad, sad, sad. I am hot. I am cold. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am happy. I am sad. Okay. Now, let's move on next part. Okay. Now, listen and repeat after me. Hello, babies. Hello, babies. They're twins, brother and sister. They're twins, brother and sister. Oh no, they're crying. Are they hot? Oh no, they're crying. Are they hot? No, they aren't. Are they cold? No, they aren't cold. Look, apples. Can the babies eat apples? Can the babies eat apples? Yes, what a good idea. Yes, what a good idea. Look, they're hungry. Look, they're hungry. Yes, they like apples. They're happy now, and we're happy too. They're happy now, and we're happy too. Okay. Các con hãy dừng lại video của cô và nghe lại nhiều lần nhé.
Bye bye.
Now let's move on next part. Chúng ta cùng nhau ôn luyện phần bên này nữa nào. We're.
Cái này là viết.
We're. We are. We are. There. There. They are. They are. They are. We're happy. We're happy. They're hungry. They're hungry. Are they hot? Are they hot? No, they aren't. No, they aren't. Are they happy? Yes, they are. Are they happy? Yes, they are. Okay. Goodbye, kids. See you again.